How to upload photos to NanoBanana.AI. Want to upload a photo to NanoBanana.ai? Let's do it in just a few clicks. Log into your NanoBanana.ai account. On your dashboard, look for the image editor, usually at the top or center. Click it. A window will pop up. Now you will see reference image. You can add up to 9 images. Tab Add Image. Now either drag and drop your image here or click Browse to choose one from your computer. Once your file is selected, you will see a quick preview. Make sure it's the right photo. From here, you can edit, enhance, or use NanoBanana's AI tool to transform your photo into something amazing. Now hit Generate Now button. It will take some time and boom. Your photo is now inside NanoBanana.ai, and that's it. Super simple, right? If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and drop a comment if you have any question. See you in the next video.